Plants require a natural diversity to thrive: light, water, oxygen, nutrients, etc. If you think about it, it's a whole lot easier to control the variables in a lab setting. It's really easy to synthesize something in a lab.
Everyone gets surprised with this question: why is there no true bird sample? And there are a couple of reasons. Wintergreen and birds are 99% similar, but there are 1% compounds that makes wintergreen different from bird's oil. Most of the lab will miss the testing. They will only look for methyl salicylate molecules on bird's oil, and which is the same in wintergreen. So most of the lab fails on testing pure bird's oil. Last year, we did market survey for bird's oil. They were claimed to be 100% pure and natural bird's oil. We found pure wintergreen, and we found wintergreen mixed with synthetic methyl salicylate. None of them were pure. None of them even had one drop of bird's oil.